Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can download a timesheet in HubStaff. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.hubstaff.com. And then you're going to log in to your HubStaff account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, set your focus on the left panel and click on Timesheets. And then click on View and Edit. From this window, you're going to see all the timesheets currently finished or currently ongoing on your HubStaff account, as you can see right here. Now, you can even set the filters if it's going to be daily, you want to check weekly, or by calendar. Or you can even specify the dates right here if you wish to. After that, once you have gathered all the timesheets that you want to get, simply click on this button right here beside the add time, and then you're going to choose if you want to download it in PDF or in CSV. So simply click on that and then wait for your download to finish. Let's open it to verify, and as you can see, we now have a timesheet report ready for sending. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!